Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Last week we had our first rainstorm on Anchor. This week we're going to get back to the marina, we're going to install these solar panels, and we're going to finally be able to leave. So yeah, let's pick up on our way to the marina, where it all goes horribly, horribly wrong. Just reset. You can do it, you can do it. I can't. You can do it. Yes, you can.
Peter, I can't do this. Peter. Well, that was shocking. Now there is a marine line stuck around our prop. We're finally able to take some things off our list.
So we haven't really filmed anything because of the absolute nightmare that unfolded earlier.
Oh,
which
I've forgotten about that.
Yeah, we have. I think it's actually filmed a good bit of it.
30 minutes.
Oh really?
Well, I'm pretty sure that's what it said on the...
Yeah, so the plan was to get in super early and get as much done as we could. The first 2 hours were spent flipping cutting the rope.
Yeah.
So that was horrendous. And then the next hour we were like, it's just too annoyed to do anything. And then we started. So the solar panels I don't think are going to work. It's just very frustrating. Just because of how we got it built.
Can you take this? My arm's getting
the spec for how we got it built. We sent them the measurements, but it doesn't seem to work. So we're going to see if we can get something else done to it now. But we did get some things done, some small things. So look, we've got 3 things off the board and 1 in the middle. So the lifeline is still being done. We're going to try and finish that tonight. And then we got these 3 done. How are we getting 3 of these up there? No idea.
So, bit of an update. So we have been trying to do our solar panels for like 2 days now. The arch we got built is a very, very good job, but unfortunately it's not practical. He's made it too curved, so our solar panels won't actually mount to the top of it. It needs to be flat. We couldn't get in contact with the guy that made it. Wouldn't answer his calls, so then we had to just go to another 2 companies. One said that they couldn't do anything until September, so we don't have that time frame, so that was a no-go. So this company then got another company to come down and look and give us a quote, and unfortunately they were quoting us £3,000 and upwards, or €3,000, sorry, which really we don't have to waste. Like, we've already spent 3-something thousand euros on this arch, so we don't really want to waste another £3,000. It's not really a waste, but like, we wanted a different solution instead. So I just kind of went off and spoke to Gary, who is a friend of ours. Gary then decided to come down to the boat instead, and we're now sorting it. But Gary has made brackets. Actually, I'll go get one. So this is the bracket that he has made. So it's to go up around the bars in here, and then drilled into the solar panels from here. So He's made us loads of these, so we're currently trying to mount the solar panels onto that. Once they're done, we'll figure that and see if it's strong enough. We may have to get like an extra bar added on. Yeah, we're doing that at the minute.
So yeah, we have 2 panels up, 1 more to go. We're just kind of cutting out this hole here. And so yeah, part of the biggest issue that we had was the fact that these bars that stick out right here, they curve up, and it's a kind of a design flaw. But we now have to kind of cut these out, these little holes out, to go around that. So So yeah, we now have the panels on. It's a huge step. This is my bag of goodies that we've kind of been building up over the last kind of 6 months. So yeah, I'm just currently trying to like build out the system in here, and then I can start wiring it up and running the cables, and yeah, it's kind of exciting. Hopefully in the next day or two we'll have this sorted, because it's not good to have panels exposed to the sun, and they've been exposed now for about 3 days. Because I wasn't able to get some things and like everything. I probably should have this done before we installed the panels, but we actually thought it was going to take a couple of weeks to install the panels because of all the things that were happening. I'm just going to try and build this out and see where we get to. So. Okay, so these connectors will connect the solar panels together, and then it means that when I'm running the cables down, the cables then come through this, which is like a pretty much an on-off switch. If this is off or on, then obviously the power is coming in. The power then comes into these charge controllers. And the charge controller, it'll then come into there, it'll do some magic-y thing, and then this will come back out and go straight to the battery. There's 2 charge controllers because we're going to be running, because we have 3 big panels, and instead of getting 1 massive charge controller, we got 2 smaller ones which add up together to be the right size. So there'll be 2 panels coming into this one and the 1 into this one. But yeah, so far it seems like it will be relatively straightforward, but nothing ever is. I've got to put these connectors on and the terminals on, yeah, and start to try and figure out exactly where everything's going to go. Okay, so this is our aft starboard cabin. Doesn't look like much right now. The bed is lifted up, and underneath the bed we have our batteries. So these are getting replaced. We actually are changing out the newer batteries, but so this is where I'm thinking of putting it, right in this back corner. So I'll probably put one over here and then one over here with the 2 breakers over on the right here. So that's the plan. So yeah, pretty much loads of that, just over and over and over and over again, and then just gotta put on this cable, do the same with that, and yeah, we're almost good to go. We just need to connect up to the battery, and hopefully in the next 20 minutes we will see if we're getting power. Okay, so it's more than 10 minutes later. I was having an issue getting them all put together, but we are now on. So I can't actually get in to show you, hold on, because my helper has decided to take over the entire floor, but you might be able to just see. No, you'll not. Yeah, I see that we flashing light. So yeah, that's the first one's installed. It's obviously not pulling any power yet because I haven't plugged in, but that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, so all I have to do is flick this switch on. There we go, some power coming in. There we go, starting to build up a little bit. Okay, so all that power is coming from this panel here on a really cloudy day and overcast, so to get 150 watts is pretty good. So it's a few hours later. We've moved out of the marina because our week was up. They're now in the process of trying to feed this through. It's just the hole in here that will come out into over here. So yeah, it's pretty tiny. The plan was we were just going to feed it straight through and hope that it would come through, but there's no chance of that happening. So what we're now going to have to do is get a string, attach a weight, trip it the whole way down, see if I can feed that through the bottom, and then use that to pull all the cables back up, because yeah, it's not going to be an easy one. So, but once that's done, everything else is ready and we can finally have solar after months of planning and like a month of trying to get it sorted. So oh, this is not human size. Good job. It's your first hard day's work. Right, okay. Watch your fiberglass. Wash your hands a lot. Right, Mr. Cooper, are you ready? Walk the plank. Walk the plank. Go, walk the plank.
Nice.
Good boy. Right, Ellie, walk the plank. Walk the plank.
She did.
Walk the plank. Go on.
Go on, Els.
Go on, Els. Walk the plank.
No. So we need to clean out our bilges. And it's pretty much just black sludge. So, got my mask. Like, you need to just get on with it, don't you?
Having fun?
Extreme amount of fun.
Well, while Laura's having her fun doing that, I have the fun job of servicing this because it doesn't work properly. And if that goes okay, then this toilet has also stopped working. So yeah, we actually bought a boat with 2 toilets for the simple reason that if one ever broke, at least we had a backup, but that doesn't work right now. So just double the work to do. So yeah, but it's just a day for crappy jobs, isn't it?
I've got it cleaned, I think. I'm leaving like bleach sitting on it in the hope that it'll kind of make some of it, the rest of it break away, because some of it's like kind of really congealed on. But can't get it. It may not look that clean, I don't know, but it's a lot cleaner. Oh, it's so warm. My job's done. But Peter, you getting on?
Nope.
Huh?
Why does anyone do anything to do with toilets?
Oh, it smells like a farm in here.
It's horrible.
Oh.
We tried to say that ceiling was like a big romantic kind of thing, you know?
No, this is the glamorous side of ceiling.
Okay, that's us for another week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like. Any questions you have, put them in the comment section down below. And if you want to follow along on our journey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because next week we're having to go into international waters for the first time to export our dinghy. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.